So, this is the 2026 snowstorm. First snowstorm of 2026. We tried to take a little tour around the city. Hopefully we can make it some places without getting stuck. You know me, I'm always with the bullshit. And you know who's with me? Yes. We outside. We outside. We are outside. It's currently nasty out here. You gotta see people doing the wrong shit. He going over the curb and some more shit. Doing too much. But, you know, big boy say he do big boy things. I'm fine with that. Yeah, but we outside. We're gonna see who gets stuck. We're gonna see what's going on. See what roads the nasty is. I see a car the wrong way. What the hell going on down here? What the hell? What the hell? You going? Excuse me, you can't park there. Excuse me, you can't park. They went to the liquor store. My man in line at the liquor store. His car. Hey, you can't park there. Look, there's nobody in it. I don't see that lights around here, bro. You control the traffic. Yeah. Nah, he must have drifted over to the dirt. Oh yeah, he definitely about to pull him out.
Pull him out. Pull him out.
Yeah, we just out here seeing what's really going on. People out here walking. They said they gonna make a way. Hey, they gonna make a way. So. Oh shit, let me see. We gotta find another way because Suitland Parkway was fucked up. I couldn't show y'all. But hey, we gonna find a way. Oh, this shit just fucked too. Let me get some speed with this shit. Oh. Which way? I did say something about locks. We gonna see what locks looking like or talking about, see if they open. This shit nasty, y'all. You gotta know what you doing out here. Oh, that's closed. Well, no liquor for y'all today. This shit down. I'm trying to make it up near the road, y'all. That don't know bullshit. No, I should've known. This way. Down Nilla, down Ugly Hope, Murray and Berrien. Shit, you can't tell me shit. I just made that motherfucker Nilla. Man, just go, bro. Fuck. Let's go. What are you waiting for? Yeah, one thing about Southeast, they gonna pop out in Southeast. They gonna pop out in Southeast. My folks outside. Okay, how you doing today? One thing about my Southeast folks, we get outside, huh? We outside. Y'all wanna see the ground for real? This shit ain't no joke. They so-called plow this shit. Yeah, this how it gets though. This how it gets, man. Riding through the city. Riding through the fucking city, man. I ain't going everywhere now, trust me, y'all. If I can't make it past y'all spot, my bad. We outside in the 2026 snowstorm, man. You know my folks get active. Hey y'all, they about to go grocery shopping. We got Bri out here. You know, you should stay in the house if you don't know what you're doing with the cows. That's why I'm out here. Cause I think I know what I'm doing with the cows. Man, you should have known, bro. To stay in the house. Hey, you trying to go to work, whatever you going, just man, you could have just stayed home for all that, man. Then I go to look. Buddy back there waiting for the bus. Oh man. Do you look like the bus coming down here? Making it up MLK. I'm struggling though, I ain't gonna lie. This shit ain't perfect. They all nosy. Y'all wanna watch. Y'all gotta speak. Hey, we making it up slowly but surely. About to make a little U-turn for real. Yep. Time for a little snack break. Yeah. Just saying what's going on. Cold as shit out here though. Not too many people getting stuck out here. You know, to keep their ass in the house. They don't know what they're doing. I know it's snowing outside, but damn, y'all gonna scoot over? That's them ghetto. You know my business. We about to get to eat?
A turkey, bacon, croissant.
From where? We right here gotta get some food. About to get some food. See how deep this shit is. Look at my foot. Woo. See how many people up in this joint. Woo. You got y'all here working hard, big dog? Take what's up to the vlog, man. We outside, buddy. They said stay in the house if you don't know what you're doing, huh? Y'all ain't trying to work too hard. Damn. What they got going on?
Wait, watch out!
Oh man. Damn. How the fuck that happened? We over here on the Minnesota side. Over here on the Minnesota side. Seeing what's going on. Damn, there must have been a lot of snow. Somebody stuck, I think. Y'all need red lights. Let me tell y'all something. Anything ass bitch. Playing with the lives like I'll do this joint, man. To a hood near you. Coming to a hood near you. I don't know why y'all stopping. Say where you open. Say where you open. Don't fall, baby. She He said, can I get a ride? Hey, buddy said he don't give a fuck what's going on. Look, he about to fall and all that. Hey, look, he about to look. He said, fuck that shit. Fuck that shit, huh? Fuck it all. Look, they stuck. Hey, one thing about it, the curry out gonna jump around here. They gonna want their chicken wings and mumbles off. Yeah. The bus coming for real? But y'all got me about a troll. Riding through 8th Street. What's going on? Here's the photographer too. What's going on?
You wanna take some pictures?
Damn, this shit has a motherfucker. You know, motherfucker, 8th Street. It's never that serious, y'all. Never that serious. I'm telling you, y'all gonna scoot over. Somebody gonna get hit. Whoa.
It's all this note.
We done made it back to the Maryland side. We made it back to the Maryland side. Really ain't no snowfall, it's just a lot of sleet. Freezing rain and sleet that's been dropping. Ain't really no snow. Day 2 out here of this 2026 blizzard. You see this shit done turned to ice. A lot of this shit is solid and froze up. About to see what today brings.
2.
Day 2. It's a little dark. Gotta lighten it up. There we go. Huge difference. Huge difference from yesterday and today's highway streets, as y'all see. These streets are way more clear. Way clearer than yesterday. Look, they got Rich Motion out here.
Man, you already know, man.
They got Rich Motion out here.
Man, y'all already know where we at, man. The same place I'm gonna remain at. So listen, that's a snow day. They fucking us up, man. They left our property looking stupid. Don't worry about it. Motion about to move. The next spot ain't like this.
They got Marvel out here. They put Marvel on the machine. They said, man, go work that motherfucking Draco, Slim. Go on, Slim.
She gonna fall. Get his ass. His ass gonna fall.
Hey, what you running to? You trying to go find that fix, huh? You trying to go, you running for that?
It's recording. Yeah.
Day 2, shoveling.
Got that big boy out.
Nah, it's not my big boy though. I'm not bluffing for nobody's camera, okay?
No.
It's not my car.
I'll see you there.
Oh yeah, we good now.
Yeah. You see the ground? What's up?
Probably been right here on the curb. The curb might be a little closer. Look, he got his ass stuck. He can't do bluffing on us earlier, y'all. He got stuck with the little, that's a little boy for real. That ain't the big boy. They got the community activists out here. What y'all doing out here, man? Rich Motion. Rich Motion gonna pull up. Rich Motion gonna pull up. Clean y'all parking lot. Get the fuck over! Fuck is you doing? Get over! Get over! Fuck, man! Stupid ass! This shit fucking ice. You think I'm about to stop on this shit? Fuck, y'all need to get the fuck over. Fuck, man. I made up Southview Hill. Don't look too good up there. Don't look good up there. That guy's outside. We are on Owens Road. This shit is still a mess. I'm sliding a little bit. Got a little grip to the street right there. This shit right here, back nasty. It's an update. Nice update. We're going on 130 right now. Shit clearing up. You know they take care of the main road before they take care of the side road. So as y'all see me about to probably go on this back road, it's about to be a little messy back here. My windshield washer fluid froze, so I can't use that. But this what it's like. See, like I was saying, this Willow Road is still a little nasty as shit. It ain't clean like the main road. I'm about to see what the fuck this gonna be like. That's how bad it get. My man got a motherfucker. Look what the fuck he using though. Damn, I can't even get out closer. I'm about to double back. Thing, if you parked on that side, Slim. Look at that shit. Woo! See, you should never park on that joint. I think they call this an emergency road. You don't supposed to park there. Oh man, he gonna be there all day. He gonna be there all day. Poor man, bless his heart. She gonna bust her ass. Oh.
It's cold.
It's cold! Welcome to the vlog.
Hey. Hi, y'all. Want some water?
I got a whole case in the back. You see? Look back there. The whole case. You got motherfuckers walking in the middle of the road like this shit a motherfucker plantation. This shit still a road. Y'all know it's still a street. They walking that motherfucker like they don't give a fuck. And I'm on live. Y'all see, if y'all on my live, say what's up to the live. Ain't nobody on there, my bad. Y'all see, ain't nobody on that joke. They got the city outside. They got the city outside. Our folks gonna hike. They hiking. Oh, they hiking. This is shit I'm talking about right here. Why in the hell you outside? I just really want to know, why is he outside? Who told him to come outside? Like for real. They the bed, they about to fall. Somebody gonna fall. Oh. They about to go down. And yeah, we all on day 2. See how long this shit lasts. When you see the streets here in DC, they cleared up a lot. They did a tremendous job from yesterday. A lot of the streets are cleared, the main streets. Majority. They ain't perfect, they okay. You know what I'm saying? So, like you probably see this side street messed up. Well, it's okay. It's decent. But you see the sidewalks, they did not treat the sidewalks. Which is not a main thing, because you got our black folks, you know, we're gonna hike it in the street. We're gonna take it all the way to the street, you know what I'm saying? Hola. Sun shining bright out here. Got a nice little sun out. What's up, mama? Feel like a regular day out here again, huh? They got the unks over there arguing. He stuck.
Spread that shit. Yeah, fuck me like a slut. Let's go. Yeah. Spread that shit, you know what I'm saying? You know. Yeah, fuck me like a slut, you know what I'm saying? Let's go. Let's go. She got the world in her hands. I do. You with your girl today's cool. So I ain't got no problem waiting on my turn. Teach me how to turn you to my bay and I'ma learn. If I don't feel like going out my way, then I'ma turn. Hold up. Spread that shit, you know what I'm saying? You know. Yeah, fuck me. Let's go. She know I'm nasty.
They on them scooters though, at least the road clear though. Bitch ain't even got no coat on. She cold as shit. They come out to get some Chipotle, cold as shit. Alright, now this is terrible. This is my first time coming up in Northwest. This is terrible. One lane, traffic tomorrow gonna be crazy. This is uptown. We're alive uptown. This shit is nasty. Yeah, it's nasty. Look at 9th.